And it's hot in here. I'm actually sweating. Can you see the sweat? I don't know if you can see the sweat in camera. Hey guys. Guys, how's it going? Daniel here. So today guys, I want to share with you guys this cool how do you call it, effort, I guess you could be calling it, by the iOS developer community. So the developers behind one of my favorite Twitter clients that I reviewed earlier this year, Nighthawk for Twitter. If you guys haven't checked out the app, I highly recommend you guys go check out the app if you guys want a different type of Twitter experience on iOS. So the developers behind Nighthawk for Twitter have released a new iMessage sticker pack, but also physical stickers as well. So the developers behind the Nighthawk for Twitter are doing this for two reasons, and that is to give to two charities. So the first one, of course, is all the money that they raise, that they make from the iMessage sticker pack and also the physical sticker packs, will go to the World Health Organization COVID-19 response. And then also the second organization that they will be splitting the money to is the Equal Justice Initiative. So two great charities and two great causes that they'll be donating all that money that's made from this purchase of stickers. So why are they doing this? Well, usually, of course, since Monday is WWDC, usually in WWDC, developers, of course, they exchange stickers, pins, they give out to fans as well, for fans that are able to go to WWDC and all that stuff. And this year, of course, WWDC is going to be held online and not in person. So, they want to do this where people and developers can receive sticker packs still, without having to be, of course, in person at WWDC, since it will not be possible this year. So yeah, it's very cool. I purchased only the iMessage sticker pack. So yeah, it's really cool, of course. And if you want to get the physical sticker packs, of course, you'll probably get some cool apps that you probably use a lot, like Halid. I use Halid a lot. And other great apps are there as well that they were able to round up from other developers. So yeah, it's a cool cause. And so yeah, I highly recommend it if you guys want to support, of course, these two charities. And the plus side, you get stickers that you can add to your setup, to your iPad or to your MacBook or to your desk. So I'm still thinking about maybe hopefully ordering the physical sticker pack. But yeah, for now, the iMessage sticker pack is the only thing right now. So yeah, that's just a quick announcement of a cool cause that I'm, of course, supporting, of course. And yeah, and I highly recommend you guys do if you guys want to be part of this as well. I'll post a link in the description below to the website so that you can go and check it out. And yeah, you'll probably like these sticker packs as well. So that's it for now, guys. And as always, I will see you guys later. Peace.